Napagod si Daddy kakasayaw. Hoy! Kaya pala masipag kong kumanta ng apati-apati. Andyan yung chichirya ko po. Tragis talaga, Daddy.
Ay!
Saan niya nakita yan?
Saan mo ba nilagay?
Dito sa supa.
Kinuha niya dyan.
Tinago ko yan sa supa eh.
Nakita niya dyan. Kinuha niya. Sabi niya, Daddy.
Itinago ko yan dyan kasi kakainin ko. Eh kaya naman pala ang sipag niya kumanta ng apati-apati.
Oh,
Kasi mayroon na palang dyan, chichiryang apati-apatihin niya. Kalukang bata na to.
Kasi kumanta kasi may ano.
That is for Mommy.
No!
Huh?
Only.
It's for Lara only? Are you sure?
No. That's for...
It's not yours.
It's not good. It's not good for your health.
It's for Mommy.
No, that's my mama.
Huh? Daddy, you heard that? Lara said it's for Lara.
No. It's for Mommy only.
That's mine. That's mine, Cecilia. That's mine. It's not good to have idea.
Ah! Oh, Ate Ila, you heard that? Lara said it's not good to your health, Ate Ila.
Are you eating that?
Walang hiya na yan eh. Inagawan pa ako ng pagkain.
Chichiri is not good for your health, Lara.
No.
Mommy.
What did you say, Lara?
That's not good to help.
That's not good to your health, Ate Ila. Oh, tragis.
Baliktad na.
Mabaliktad na talaga yung that is not good to your health.
How about Kiri? Oh, bataga na niya si Kiri.
Oh, si Karila. Kawawa, oh. Ano ba yan kasing lagayan ng mga damit na yan? Ba't ganyan yan? Wala natin utopi ba ninyo o ano? Oh, si Kari, oh, kawawa. Awi. Hala. Hala.
Maano dyan sa ano? Kunin mo muna kung sino ba kamano dyan sa ano?
Wow, Awi. Awi. Nakatali pa siya ng buo. Uy, ang lamig oh. May electric fan pa. Hurry up, Ate Ila. Hurry up.
Okay, no one No.
Lara, it's not good to your health.